eh, eh, kwaze kwamnandi, kuqala ngaphansi, kwashumi nani, asanda kuzala bani, mm, Hi guys. Limbo, 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 limbo. Oje dia passport. Limbo, limbo, limbo. Maje dia passport. Waje dia passport. Hi, can I date you? Because I need to know. I don't date girls. I'm straight. I don't have feelings for girls. Hi. Can you sing Chandran? Ikachirin Chandran. Darling, like a Musima no Mutele, Tale Compati di Pele, Le Marava Kelly, Pricafu, Mulele, so Ziki Jones for the Achok Selan, to the top 10 Gatchen Garan, to one of the champions, so that Para di Palaki di Profol, Tia Mashuraso Gold, and I don't like a Musanto. Hi, hello, hi, Atara Masako, hi Kumoto, hi Si, hi Isa. Linjani, kimunala depression. Mutuyo, hanka miyaka. I'm not gonna use it in my life sometime. Oh yeah, oh yeah. How's it go? I'm fine. How are you? How you doing? Hi Stafford. Hi Kami. You're so cute. Thank you. Um, mhm, mhm. I'm good. How are you? Kisha, put it Kisha. Not Kisha. Your smile is cute. Thank you. So beautiful. There's gonna be. I like a couple moon. Hi, CR. Baby, hi. Requesting yan. Ano niya ako request? Naman yung bilis kayo. Ew. Sorry. Tukhali kisona ubi. Ugachoma ukwati. Ugachoma ukwati. Kisha bwana. Hello. I'm sure you're listening to Kim Munanda. Oh, good, but I think Kim Munanda. Okay, yeah. Kisha bwana. Hi. I'm a big fan. Thank you. Kagak dekat ini, kan begitu saya tadi. Ya, aku pengen beli itu yang beli. Pengen beli itu yang beli, cause aku dia. Udah kan, udah lekas. a cow. Hello, how are you? Good things, and how are you, Alistair? Hi, Austin. You're so beautiful. Thank you. And today, since it is somewhere, my mood is at your grandma two, grandma one, two. What's got two? Got two. Since it is somewhere. Hi, whoa! Awa, umfena baja girlfriend you. Ask her to do a song. Sorry. Udila only one. Hi, KK, then. I could do the key one. I could do the key one. Why? It happened to me. Okay. What's the one with you? Thank you. Good. Go change and please step to the like it's that time of the month. Color suggestions maybe put your good usual to the and then make it happen good like just the level of your beats too much and I really hi Yo, yo. Guys, go their color them to the color suggestions. Pink is a like idea. I think I go their color A1 and smart like it like idea. Pink is a like idea. Excellent idea. Pink is idea. I think it's mara. Let's see. Maybe read or black. Literally, hi, actually, how much does this cost? 21, 21K. They cost about 21K. Okay, location. Girl, what home zone A? Like a home zone A. Blue is a good idea. Couple in the resignation, they say, idea. KG. Oh, our guys in gift day. Couple gift. Guys, voice yake haikuwa sharp. Voice yake haikuwa sharp. Bona utlile fresh. Like fresh every day. Like fresh. Hi. Hello, sharp. So, baka mo barang ko na beto bila rin ko siya. Utlile fresh. Thank you. Oh, travel. Utlile trees. Thank you. Ngibona ka gift. Ale like life yaka kore ke enda ka tsamaya. Wa cream ya yo na ke cream. Wa bona le wena motho ya ke cream. Ba letsogo a le tshwane le sefatlhego. Letsogo a le tshwane le sefatlhego. Nna ke cream yana. Ke fresh. Ke fresh thata. Oh no. Oh yeah. I bullet. Oh Sarita. Oh Lord. Nairobi modal. Hi. O dula kae? Ke dula Leboakgolo zone F. O ka re o dikula. Ke lona letsogane. Ke lona. Ke le cool. O tsena jang? Thank you. Nkotse ka mo toilet. Ke sa tlo tlhapa sefatlhego e ke enda live. Ke ya go enda live ke tlhape sefatlhego. So, yeah. Well, o sa apara bonnet today. A ke e bone wena. Ke nna ke di bonnet ya ka before ke ya like ka se e bone. Ka no kwisha gore just like ke na le tlhogo e good and stuff. Hela a se bonnet ke shawa ke tlhapa le rena. Yo, guys, now is stoked. It's stoked. What's happening, man? Tlhapa mmele ka mmele ka he. I didn't know ke tlhapile mmele. Ke nyaka go tlhapa sefatlhego. And then ke tlo tlhapa mmele ka moka e ke ya ho change di-braces mme ke sa le ka pele mme di ka mathung moo ke sa tswafanyana. I'm crying because I am making me feel comfortable. Ke phela ke bona community di-video tsa ka. Phela ke bona community. Visit center, you can send me money and then I'ma put up. Hi gorgeous, hi. Kiss me. Opila yo. Thank you. O tswa fa o not gore ke tswa fa go hlapa e sa le ka pela ene a ke nyako go hlapa after ke dule ke nyako go hlapa after ke tswe bathong a di bohloko di ba bohloko ka first week mola bathong mo ke tswa di dile first week ela ya it's a hell your lips move on at times o hlapa mana ke hlapa wena o jang o na le babyface aowa ke se se le nna moleng ha e kgotsong nna babyface aowa I deny o re direle skin care routine a ke na skin care routine ke no hlapa ka sunlight ba ka fetsa ka tlola ka ba ya tjhaba a ke na skin care routine oh la la sunlight eya ke tlhapa ka sunlight le tsebe le flash so ha e tshepo ke tlhapa ka sunlight le tsebe le flash le tlhapeng ka sunlight ke tlo lo tlhapa ka dijalo di dintsi o na le maaka wena bathong a pele re ngwanelana bathong so ga nna tlhapa ka ntse batlhong le tlhapa ka ntse batlhong ka dao wa phapha wena bilas fela tsefeng ka re o batla go kgopela go se bone di a fapana ke mo di fitlhelang di skin ha di tshwane di skin ha di tshwane nna e mperekelang wena ka se berekeng le wena o berekelang ya ka se mperekeng wabo a ke le bontšhisa letse nna ditlhapang ka yone kgotsa ka re a le ntsheng ke ntwe ke sunlight ke tlhapa ka sunlight kgotsa nna o ka re le ntshephinyana ke tlhapa ka sunlight tlhapang ka sunlight ke ba fresh ke se bona ba le di-video sa mphaphele o ke tlo blog video sa mphaphele ke tlo blog nna ke tsamayeng ke go busy ka lo jaaka ka se ke founela ke 10% ke nyako go tlhapa sefatlhego and then ko dirang shampoo tswa go shampoo o tsene mongwe wa go phapha wes o tsene mongwe wa go phapha. Eish. Oh, do you apply sunscreen? No. Nope. Ke tlola ka vaseline fela, ke hlapa ka sunlight ka tlola ka vaseline. O mara vaseline ke lemaka, ke tlola ka tissue oil. Ke hlapa ka sunlight ka tlola ka tissue oil. Go liwa. O mopedi wena? Aowa, a sena mopedi. A sena mopedi. I really. Ke nna Taxify, o bolela ka nna. Ke bolela kore ka re follow Taxify, o dira content ka matla le mo followeng. Yabo, ha ke boletse ka wena. Hi Cookie. Yeah, I need to hear that. Morning. Oh, no. Oh, Gerard. There's a follow on Taxify. Follow on Taxify. Content ya gage e oh, content ya gage e monate. So le mo following, le mo thuseng hona go le request-eng di-video tsa gage, no. A re support-aneng, le mo support-eng. Phone ya ka ya tima, na ke tsamayeng. I do feel comfortable using my phone because they are so good. When I go good, you guys will be their phone. Bye guys. Bye guys. Kita na bona kama oh, kita na bona kama phone. Bye bye.